Hello everyone, this is Bhupender Singh from Symmetrics Microelectronics, and today's video is about to designing an AC to DC 12 volt power supply in Proteus. So here we go. First of all, we discuss about the required components to design it. First one, transformer. Second one is diode. Third one is capacitor. Then regulator 7812 and then resistor and LED. So come again to the transformer. We need a simple AC to DC transformer. You can also use center tape transformer. Next one is diode 1N4007. We need it in a 4 quantity so that we can make a bridge rectifier that will convert the AC to DC. Third one is capacitor, 35 volt or 50 volt, 1000 microfarad or 100 microfarad, whatever available. After that, 7812 regulator to step down to 12 volt DC. Resistor 1K can work and LED to indicate the power supply. We will design it in a Proteus simulator software. We can download it from its official website www.labcenter.com/simulator. You can download it for trial and also you can buy it. It's really an amazing software to simulate and test your circuit. Here is a circuit diagram of AC to DC 12 volt power supply. Link is available in the description to download the circuit diagram and list of components. As you can see, I have opened the Proteus software. Now we will need to add the required component in the Proteus worksheet. So we select the component mode and click on P. And search the transformer and select the simple transformer and click on OK. Now it's added to the sheet. Now search 1N4007 diode to design the bridge rectifier. Then capacitor. And then 7812 regulator. Now resistor and LED. Here is a 4 type of LED in the simulator. I choose the yellow one. Now the last one, alternator, to provide the AC power to transformer. All the required components has been added to the list. Now click on transformer and add to the sheet. After that, diode 1N4007, we need to add 4 diodes to design a bridge rectifier. Connect it properly as displayed in the video. Now connect the transformers, one output wire here and another wire here. Now add alternator and connect the transformer as shown here. We add 7812 regulator and connect diode output to the regulator's input pin. Add this to the regulator's ground pin. Now add resistor and LED to the sheet. Connect regulator's output pin to the one side of resistor and another side to the LED's positive pin. Now attach LED negative pin to the regulator's ground pin. As you see, resistor value is 10 kilo ohm, so we need to reduce the resistance to 330 ohm. At last, we add the capacitor here, negative to negative and positive to positive. Now your circuit is ready. We will need to simulate it. As you see, your circuit is running properly and LED is indicating the power. Okay. Now we need to check the output voltage. Just we stop the simulator, click on the virtual instrument and select DC voltmeter. Connect the DC voltmeter to the output power supply. And here we got the required 12 volt DC power supply. Thanks for watching.